Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Magnalatch top pull gate latch is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for ensuring the safety and security of your home, property, or any enclosed space, offering a robust and reliable solution that provides peace of mind through its durable construction and user-friendly design, making it an indispensable tool for pet owners, parents, and anyone prioritizing security. Number 5. D&D Technologies Magnalatch Vertical Pull Gate Latch. Ensure your loved ones are safe with a trusted solution. This latch is designed to be out of reach for little ones and fits most standard gates. Experience dependable security with powerful, sealed magnets. They ensure a reliable latch every time, protected from weather for long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze thanks to easy vertical and horizontal adjustments. It adapts to ground shifts or gate sag, ensuring a perfect fit. Keep your property secure with a visible lock indicator. The 6-pin lock can be rekeyed for added convenience and to match your existing locks. Built with industrial-strength materials and stainless steel, this latch is made to last. It will never rust, providing a low-maintenance solution for years to come. What we like. This latch offers superior child and pet safety with its vertical pull design, keeping it out of reach for little ones. Its rekeyable lock provides enhanced security, allowing you to match it with existing home locks. If you're looking for a robust, lockable solution for your home's gates that prioritizes security and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The latch is easy to install and operate. It is made of durable material and has a strong magnetic closure. The top pull design makes it convenient to open and close the gate. Number 4. D&D Technologies Magnalatch Side Pull Gate Latch. Introducing the advanced magnetic latch technology for reliable gate performance. It offers a self-latching operation that won't disengage from shaking or pulling, ensuring your gate stays securely closed. Crafted from industrial-strength polymer, this latch is built to last a lifetime. Unlike metal, it will not rust, bind, sag, or stain, providing durable and maintenance-free operation. Installation is a breeze with vertical and horizontal adjustments for easy alignment. It quickly corrects for gate sag or ground movement, and all necessary fasteners are included. Designed for metal, wood, and vinyl gates, it ensures optimal performance with a specific gap range. This makes it ideal for various gate latch applications around your property. Its sleek black finish and snap-fit dress caps conceal all fasteners for a clean appearance. The compact size offers versatile mounting options, enhancing the look of your gate. Enjoy the convenience of a secure latch that does not lock. This feature provides peace of mind without the need for a key, perfect for everyday use. What we like. This option provides a reliable magnetic latch without a locking mechanism, ensuring it won't disengage from shaking or pulling. Its sleek, black finish with concealed fasteners offers a clean aesthetic. If you need a simple, durable, and visually appealing gate latch for metal, wood, or vinyl gates where a lock isn't a primary concern, this is a great fit. What people say. The latch is easy to install and operate. It is very secure and keeps the gate closed. The top pull design is convenient and easy to use. Number 3. D&D Technologies Pool Safety Gate Hardware Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for ultimate pool safety. It includes a top pull latch, self-closing hinges, a safety cap, and a gate gap spacer. Our hardware is designed for a variety of gate types. It's perfect for metal, vinyl, or wood gates with square frames and posts. Ensure your children's safety with this trusted latch, a standard in pool safety for over 35 years. Its design keeps it out of reach for little ones. Enjoy hassle-free installation with easy vertical and horizontal adjustments. The hinges also feature patented tension adjustment for customizable closing speed. Constructed from industrial-strength polymer and stainless steel, this hardware is built to last. It will never rust, ensuring long-term reliability. We've included a gap spacer for precise installation and a safety cap to prevent climbing. These features add an extra layer of security for your peace of mind. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes not only a top pull gate latch but also self-closing hinges and a safety cap, offering a complete solution for pool safety. The top pull design is ideal for keeping children out of pool areas. If you're setting up a new pool gate or upgrading an existing one with a focus on child safety and a complete hardware package, this kit is highly recommended. What people say. The latch is easy to install and operate, with a simple top pull mechanism. It's made of durable, rust-resistant material, ensuring longevity even in outdoor conditions. The magnetic closure provides a secure and reliable locking action, preventing accidental openings. Number 2. D&D Technologies Magnalatch Alert Top Pull Gate Latch. Ensure your children's safety around the pool with this top pull latch. Designed to be out of reach for young children, it sets the standard for gate safety. Never worry about an unlatched gate again. If it's not securely closed for 15 seconds, an alarm will sound and an LED will flash, alerting you immediately. Built to withstand the elements, it features an IP55 rating for superior performance even in harsh conditions. It's designed for reliability, no matter the weather. Installation is a breeze thanks to its vertical and horizontal adjustability. Alignment markers make it simple, and it can be adjusted for ground shifts or gate sag. Keep your gate securely locked with its rekeyable lock. The visible indicator confirms when it's locked, and it can be matched to your home's existing locks for added convenience. Crafted from industrial-strength polymer and stainless steel, this latch is built to last. It's designed to never rust, ensuring long-term, low-maintenance security. What we like. This latch provides an extra layer of security with its audible and visual alarm system that alerts you if the gate is unlatched for too long. It also features a rekeyable lock for added peace of mind. If you need the highest level of safety for pool areas or childcare centers and want an alert system for immediate notification of an unlatched gate, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The gate latch is easy to install and operate. It is made of durable material and has a strong locking mechanism. The top pull design makes it convenient to open and close the gate with one hand. Number 1. D&D Technologies Magnalatch Vertical Pull Gate Latch. Ensure the safety of your children and pets with this reliable gate latch. Designed for peace of mind, it keeps your loved ones secure around your home and garden. Experience the power of advanced magnetic technology. Its internal sealing protects the core components from weather, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze thanks to vertical and horizontal adjustability with clear alignment markers. Easily adapt to ground shifts or gate sag for a perfect fit every time. Enjoy enhanced security with a visible lock indicator and a 6-pin lock that can be rekeyed. Match it to your existing locks for seamless home security. Crafted from industrial-strength polymer and stainless steel, this latch is built to last. It's rust-proof and requires minimal maintenance, offering enduring quality. What we like. Similar to the first option, this vertical pull latch is designed for child and pet safety, keeping it out of reach. It also features a rekeyable lock for enhanced security and is constructed from low-maintenance, rust-proof polymer. If you're looking for a dependable, lockable gate latch for general home safety that is built to last and requires minimal upkeep, this is a solid option. What people say. The latch is easy to install. It is very secure and keeps the gate closed. The top pull design makes it easy to operate with one hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.